How's it going, PhonLab? It's Root Junkie here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to set up an APN on your mobile device. APN stands for Access Point Name, and it's something you have to do if you ever unlock a device, carrier unlock a device, and you want to put it on a different carrier. You may have to put in the APNs. So we're just going to kind of talk about this and show you how to do it on a phone here. So let's go do it. Alright guys, here we go. This is my Oppo phone, and I've inserted a T-Mobile SIM card into it. And you can actually see up here in the top, it shows you T-Mobile. But we don't actually have any internet connection, because if you come in here to Google and you hit go, it says you're offline. So there's no internet. The SIM card's not communicating correctly with the tower. So we need to add an APN. So to do that, you're going to go into settings. And your settings may look a little different than this. Obviously, each brand is a little different, but you're going to find mobile networks. It's normally either listed here in the top or it's under the more feature. So we're going to go to mobile networks. And then right here you see access point name, APN. So we're going to come in there. Now sometimes there's automatically ones populated in here that you can choose from. And you just pick your carrier and it's pretty simple. But if not, you have to hit a new APN and we're going to enter it. So the name up here is really not too important. We're just going to call it T-Mobile. It's really just a reference thing. But the APN set is very important. So this one for T-Mobile is going to be fast.t. Where is it at? Just like a normal T-Mobile dash. There it is. Okay. And we can go back. Mobile. Okay. .com. So you see it? That's what it's going to be. And that is the APN name, and that's very, very important. So the rest of these things are really not too crazy important. You can leave them all not set for T-Mobile. Then you're going to come in here, and we're going to type in one here. So this is HTTP. Now, if you're looking for APNs, I've listed a whole ton of them below this video, and you should be able to just kind of follow along with those to make sure you got your APN set up right. So this is, there we go. SMSG. So this is for like actually getting your messaging to work correctly, for like text messages. Period. T mobile. It's a little bit of a process to set up an APN, but it's really not too bad. .com/WAPEC. There we go. ENEC. There we go. And then hit OK. Alright, so those are most of your important ones. Let's see if we can finish filling out the little bit here on the end. So we're looking for ports. So that's actually correct. See, 310 and 260, that's already set. That's good. Protocols, that looks good. Yeah, ungrayed out. Yeah, this all looks good. So then we can hit save, and we can then select the APN and back out, back out. You can see this thing just changed up here in the top corner. That's a good sign. The other thing you can do is, if you're really not sure, to make sure your APNs are functioning correctly, is just go in here and toggle airplane mode, which turns off your cellular radios, and then turn them back on. And then you'll see everything start to, it'll refresh the network with that new APN. Also, if it still doesn't work, a reboot normally will. So now let's go in here and open up Chrome, and let's launch a little warranty thing from Oppo. We can cancel that. Let's go ahead and hit go. And you can see what it actually is doing is, this is a prepaid SIM, but it has network communicating. That's why I'm not actually getting, there's no data on it right now turned on the SIM card. But you can see it actually connected to T-Mobile's network, and they're telling you basically to purchase a data plan so you can finish using the SIM. But basically that's it. That is how you get the APN set up. It's really not that hard to do. Pretty simple process, but it's important to know, especially if you're carrier unlocking a device, or you've got an overseas device here in the US. Sometimes you really need to put that APN in there. Like I said, there's a whole bunch linked in the video below the video description here, or below the video. You'll be able to find a whole bunch of different APNs, and then if they're not listed here in this lesson, then definitely just a Google search will probably come up with those pretty easily. So just so you know, if you're having trouble getting your SIM card to work on the device, definitely check out the APN settings. That's going to wrap it up for me, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Root Junkie out.